Hello, everyone. Today, I want to talk about IBIO, ticker symbol IBIO. Now, this is a company that is plant based vaccines and therapeutics, and this is something that is projected in the future, like 5 to 10 years, to be a niche market that there's not a lot of companies, in the plant-based vaccine therapeutic industry, and it's projected to grow big in the next coming years. So if you want to invest and not just trade in this company and keep your money locked in, you know, I don't think you'll have anything to worry about. It's only trading at 50 cents right now. And over the past 2 weeks, it's been on a steady up climb from 32 cents to now 50 cents. And it's not going like it's not going up, shooting up in like one day. It's on a nice trajectory, just getting back up there. So it has a lot of things going for it. I'll read the summary for you. It operates in two segments: biopharmaceuticals and bioprocessing. Its lead therapeutic candidate is IBIO 100, that is being advanced for investigational new drug development for the treatment of systematic scleroderma, sorry if I pronounced that wrong, and idiopathic pulmonary fibrosis. I told you in past videos I can't pronounce anything in biotech world, but all right, continuing. The company is also developing a vaccine candidate comprising IBIO 200 and IBIO 201, which are in preclinical development for the prevention of severe acute respiratory syndrome, coronavirus 2, and of IBIO 400 for the treatment of classical swine fever. In addition, it is developing recombinant proteins for third parties on a catalog and custom basis. It offers a range of process development, manufacturing, filling and finishing, and bioanalytics services. It has license agreements with Planet Biotechnology to develop therapeutics for infectious diseases, collaboration agreements with the Texas A&M University System for the development of coronavirus disease 2019 vaccine candidate, a license agreement with the University of Natural Resources and Life Sciences, Vienna, and a collaboration agreement with CC Farming. Its market cap is only 117 million, so this has plenty room to grow. Plenty. I mean, that's really small. The institutional ownership has grown just a couple percent in the past couple weeks to 21%. And with the pipeline, it's they have 10 products in their pipeline, some due to oncology, and that focusing on oncology, it's particular in areas of IBIO 101, which has shown strong anti-tumor responses in preclinical models of disease. They expect the pipeline to grow in oncology with their in-house discovery capabilities. And they're based in San Diego. They have a partnership with Rubric for access to their AI-enabled antibody design technologies. In the field of animal health, they're developing a vaccine, IBIO 400, for classical swine fever, a contagious, often fatal disease affecting both feral and domestic pigs. Now, they specialize in fast farming, and fast farming is a very pioneering, very revolutionary way about vaccines, how to go about it these days, because with their plant-based protein manufacturing system, the speed, safety, scalability, it makes it ideal for rapidly advancing promising candidates from concept to clinic, while also enabling greener manufacturing. They seek to change the paradigm of drug development by reducing the time, costs, and scale-up issues associated with traditional mammalian cell culture production, thus making plant-based manufacturing the preferred choice for high-quality biopharmaceuticals. The fast farming system has been successfully used to produce monoclonal antibodies, subunit vaccines, cytokines, and other recombinant proteins. Since we initiated our own proprietary drug development activities in 2020, we used the platform ourselves to scalably manufacture SARS-CoV-2 spike antigen candidates in just 5 weeks from sequence design, a speed that rivals that of mRNA platform technologies. They deployed the fast farming to... And that's about it, fast farming. That's from their website. I read it as best I can. But a significant number of drugs that we use have been derived from plants for centuries, which subsequently led to pharmaceutical industry chemically synthesizing medical compounds. The recent development and progress in the field of transgenic plants has led the researchers to pay more and more attention towards plants being looked upon as potential bioreactors or biofactories for the production of immunotherapeutic molecules. There are numerous advantages that plant-based vaccines provide, the chief one being the reduced cost of production, which we talked about earlier, promising expression system for the production of the vaccines. Currently, complex plants like tomato, tobacco, and banana are being modified and used to produce usable vaccines for humans. This is a different article. This isn't on their website. Why do we need to use plant vaccines? There are numerous advantages of plant-based vaccines, which sets them apart and makes them more cost-effective. They allow a large amount of biomass to be effortlessly produced by cultivation in fields with relatively very few inputs. Several different products can be produced at a time using transgenic plants. The most important advantage is that the plant system does not harbor human pathogens, and thus they transmit the target subunit vaccine without any contamination. That's key. Moreover, plants can be grown in the field or in a greenhouse comparatively inexpensively and do not require any expensive equipment like fermenters and bioreactors. They can be produced in the edible parts of the plant, such as grain, fruit, or even leaves, cutting down the requirement of the purification process, thus increasing the stability and reducing the degradation of the antigenic protein. Production of the vaccine subunit in the edible parts of the plant has an added advantage since it is delivered orally rather than you know what I'm trying to say, offering a simple and non-invasive means of administration to humans. So, IBIO is sitting at 50 cents right now. That's something I'm, me personally, I'm just going to sit on for years because I have high confidence in this in the future. So tell me what you think about this company in the comments, and I hope you all have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.